Mula sa 18 Hidden Me dahil nga sila ay nagdiriwang ng anniversary or 6 years anniversary. Number 1, 8, there's no SB19 if there's no 18, pronounced as 18. 2, 18 R's in English, all their successes, triumphs, and achievements are also R's. 3, Aurum, the letter A is separated with an apostrophe as it stands for aurum. In Latin, it means gold. When they were still building their name in the industry, those were the very first people who supported them despite the doubts, persecutions, hate bashing, and belittling. That's how special those people are to SB19. Pablo thought of this fandom name honoring the love and support they are receiving from us then and now. Date announced November 2, 2019. Let's be that gold again tomorrow and for more years to come. Never na magtatampo, magbabarda na lang palagi. Samantala, again, for the fourth time, the first take ng SB19 mapapanood na nga bukas muli sa YouTube channel ng The First Take. Walang sinabi kung ano ang kanilang kakantahin, pero Monday 10 p.m. JST, 9 a.m. EDT, and 9 p.m. PHT. So 9 p.m. po mapapanood dito sa Pilipinas ang nasabi nga pong pang-apat na The First Take ng SB19. Say ng mga fans, sana daw ay time ang kanilang kantahin. Sabi nila, hula ko, ang kakantahin nila ay time. Grabe, pang-apat na first take na. Time or quit. Sana po ay quit. Ang ilan ay sinabi na sana nga daw ay time. Well, tignan na lang natin bukas ng alas 9 ng gabi. Samantala, nanawagan din ng mga fans dahil noon nga pong first take nila ay kinanta nila ang Dam at ang target po ay mag 1 million sa loob ng 24 oras. Pero it happens na nasa 800 plus ang nasabi nga pong views sa loob ng 24 oras. So hindi po na target ang 1 million. Kaya naman this time ay nananawagan ang 18 na sana nga daw in 24 oras ay mag 1 million. As of now, mayroong 1.7 million views in 12 days ang Dam sa first take habang may 93,000 likes naman ito. Doon pa lang talaga napakarami na. At ang comment section ay napuno ng 19,936 at karamihan doon mga Hapones or Japanese fans ng SB19 ang nag-comment. And of course, the 18. Yan ang ating showbiz update. The images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.